Good evening, ma'am.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you all? Come on the screens, turn on your cameras. So tell me one thing. The first chapter we took for revision was light or motion and time.
I think motion and time.
Out of light, heat, motion and time, which all are left for revision.
Chapter is not done.
Pardon?
Ma'am, heat is not done.
Heat chapter is not done yet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And have we revised light from the PDFs that I was sharing?
Yes, sir.
Light revised. Okay.
Yeah.
Motion and time.
Yes, sir. It was also revised.
No. I guess motion and time is not there. Motion and time is left,
Yeah,
isn't
motion
it?
and time. Like I got confused with acid base and salt.
Okay, fine. Wait.
Ma'am, are we gonna start a new chapter?
After this motion and time revision this week, then we'll begin with a new chapter.
I'm like, can you repeat again?
After motion and time revision, we'll begin the new chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Mhm. So, start telling the answers to the first one.
Did you call me?
No, I'm asking you to start telling the answers for level 1 question,
Okay,
beginning from the first.
okay. Which of the following devices is not used for messaging?
No, we can discuss, not in chat. We can discuss.
Ma'am,
So,
B.
I think better way that I should call upon the names. Wait,
Ma'am, is the answer B? Like, the answer is B.
hold on.
Ma'am, should we put the answer in chat?
No, not in chat. I'll call your names. Triansh, first. Which of following device was not used by our ancestors to measure time?
Quartz clock.
Pardon?
Quartz clock.
What's
Right.
first? Okay. Rohini, second, clock works on principle of
Ma'am, you called me.
Yeah, tell me second answer. Clock works on the principle of
Ma'am, periodic motion. Option A.
Rishit. Is she correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Is she correct? A clock works on principle of periodic motion.
Ma'am, is it
Yes,
option?
ma'am.
Rohini, why you are getting nervous? Be confident on your answer. Yes,
Okay.
Rishit.
Ma'am, I think it's correct.
Yeah. Stritij, third. Which of following does not show periodic motion?
Ma'am, ma'am, I think D, a car moving at a constant speed.
Okay. And if a car moves to the person sitting in car moves to his office and comes back to home, then will it be periodic motion?
Ma'am, if it is repeating, then it will be periodic.
If just one case that he has gone to office and then back to home in the
Um,
evening.
ma'am, I think it is periodic then.
Okay. Charvik, fourth. Which of following is used to measure the distance traveled by moving vehicle? Charvik, are you there? Ashwath,
Yes, ma'am.
fourth.
Fourth one. Which of the four?
Fourth one? Which one?
Ma'am, kilometer.
To measure the distance traveled by- Dear, which of the following is used to measure the distance traveled by a moving vehicle?
Ma'am, odometer.
Odometer. Hamza, when a body spins, the body is in fifth one. Hamza, be quick, simple questions. When a body spins, that means the body is in what type of motion? Siddhant,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like when a body spins, the body is in rotational motion.
okay. Advika, sixth.
Ma'am, uniform motion.
When a body covers equal distance, equal over time. Okay. Seventh. Charvik and Hamza, I need the answer from you two. Quickly unmute. Seventh. Body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then body is said to be. No point of being in the class if you cannot respond in any way. Okay, Sritij. Seven.
One minute. Ma'am, is it non-uniform?
Are you not sure about it?
Ma'am, I'm sure.
Okay, correct. Sriyansh, eight. Motion of mass around sun is an example of.
Uh, periodic motion.
Okay. If the option would be circular, then the option would have been correct or not?
It would be wrong.
Means motion of Mars is not an example of circular motion.
Well, if a rotational mass, then it should be a rotatory motion. If it's more around the sun, it happens again, so it's periodic motion.
Anyone else? The same question, if one of the option would be circular motion, then that option would be correct or not? Means
Ma'am, I think it be circular option. Circular motion.
circular motion would be correct.
Yes,
Yes.
Sriyansh, it would be correct here. Rotatory means spinning of an object about its own axis, but Mars is moving around the sun. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Oh, Rohini, ninth.
Ma'am, ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, is it
Everybody needs to solve ninth question and share the answer in chat. Solve it now, everyone. Car travels with speed of 50 km per hour in first hour and with 100 km per hour in second hour. Then total distance.
ma'am? So like in the second hour means is it like 2 hours with and like did the car travel 2 hours with 100 km per hour? Does it mean like that?
It's clearly written ND in the superscript. Second hour means first hour and second hour. So overall 2 hours, 1 hour journey.
I think the answer is option C, 150 km.
Have you solved it out?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great. So good. I want answer from others also. Please solve and share the answer.
It is 150 only because the unit is same, and when the unit is same, it's saying the total distance covered 2 hours. And the total is 2 hours. So what we did is we added 1 plus 100 is 2. So in the same method, 100 plus 50 is 150. So it's just common.
Ma'am, I think it's option C.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Advika, A. Everyone write the answer in chat quickly.
Ma'am, is it correct?
Most of the students are answering A also. But yes, C is only the correct answer. Okay.
Which is the correct answer?
C, 150 kilometer. You remember that formula of average speed, total distance upon total time. This is need to be used. Average speed equal total distance upon total time. Means average speed, because the journey is taking the equal time 1 hour. So for average speed, you can do 50 plus 100 by 2, This gives you the average speed of two different journeys into total time 2 hours. So 75 into 2, 150. Does anyone need help or should I show how to solve?
No.
Be open. You can write to me personally in chat. I'll solve.
Ma'am, so is the speed 75 kilometer per hour?
Yes. Okay, no one. So move to 10th now. Motion of car on straight path is example of.
Ma'am, A.
Okay, great. 11. Riyaz takes 20 minutes to travel to his school with speed of 3 meter per second. How far is the school? Calculate. Riyaz takes 20 minutes to travel to his school. Overall time taken is this, and his speed is 3 meter per second. Note the units, please. Time is in minutes and speed is given in seconds. And the answer is asked in kilometers. Right?
Ma'am, the answer is C.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Answer C.
Okay. Everyone, please solve. Say in the chat, please. Correct, 3.6 kilometers only. Anyone wants to know how?
Ma'am, the standard unit of time is seconds. So 20 minutes will be 20 into 60. That is 1200 seconds. Now distance speed equals to distance by time. So distance will be speed into time. That will be 3 meter per second into 1200 second. When we multiply, we'll get 3600 meters. And 3600 meters in kilometers will be 3.6 kilometers.
Distance equals speed into time. Speed is given 3 meter per second. Time is given 20 minutes. Converting minutes to second, I have multiplied with 60. So we have got 60 into 60. That is 3600. But in speed, the unit of distance was considered meter. So we have got the answer in meters. And 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So the inverse is that 1 meter equals to 1 by 1000 kilometer. And hence 3600 meter will be equal to 3.6 kilometers. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Look at the following graph. Will state the answer of 12.
I'm correct.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is A. Ma'am, A. Rest.
Yes, ma'am. It's at rest.
Okay. Yes, the body is at rest.
I have a doubt.
Mm.
I'm like, in this world, can anything be at, can any object be at rest? No, right?
Any object be at rest. Okay, so you have taken our minds to the level of, like we are standing in the universe. Everything is moving. Everything is in change. We cannot say that anything is stable. In fact, we say that sun was there millions of years ago and will be there, but who knows that that is
It
also
will be convert. It will die and it will be white dwarf.
definitely. So yes,
But like I asked this question because if you take one non-living thing, suppose you take one scale and you keep it in a bed, and you keep it for days, like for years or something like that, any object, so
yes,
it will not move. But then we cannot say it's in the scale is in rest because the scale is in contact with the earth, which is revolving around the sun.
correct. Good question. Good statement. See, this statement was like me and Rohini are sitting in the same train. We are moving to Hyderabad, okay, from Delhi. And Siddhant is standing at the station outside. So Siddhant perceives that we both are in motion, but Rohini claims that no, I am at rest. And they both begins to fight. Is there the point? No. So it all depends on the observer's point of view. That is a frame of reference from where we are observing the things. It depends on the that point, isn't it? So
But
yes,
in the context of
scale,
the practical context, we can say like that, right?
yeah, means I was just telling you another statement that it depends on observer's point of view. Your statement was totally correct. If suppose I keep a scale on my table, I'll say it is at rest. But the person standing on other planet or outside our solar system, he will claim that this is in motion, isn't it? So it depends on us.
Yes.
13, which of following is true for the uniform speed? Speed of object, what is the different level of time? The object has uniform speed. Speed of object is constant different levels of time. Object has yeah. C and 13.
Which question?
13.
Ma'am, can you put the answer in chat?
You can tell here only.
Ma'am, is it A?
Option A, uniform speed.
Okay. You mean A should be the answer. The difference in the statement of A and B is if speed of object varies,
Ma'am, I think the answer is B.
yeah, if it varies a different interval of time, the object will have no uniform speed. Uniform means something which is same throughout. So
Ma'am,
if
I thought you were saying the 14th question.
Yeah, ma'am.
oh, okay, I was telling 13. So yes, for 13 B is the answer. If the speed of object is constant at different intervals of time, this. Okay, now tell 14.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
14
14.
A.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
14 is B.
14A.
Ma'am, 14 B.
Uniform
Ma'am, I
speed.
think it's B.
Ma'am, it is B.
25, 23, 25. B, no uniform motion. Because same time interval, 1 hour in different span, in different cases, and distance covered is different, so non-uniform speed.
Yes.
How is it B like is the same the interval the time intervals are equal and also the like the it's 5 kilometer like how is it non-uniform?
The cyclists cover first 25, then see, distance covered is different. If distance covered would be same, then we will be calling this as uniform.
Ma'am, but like first 25 and then 30 means like the distance, like the difference is 5 kilometer. Then again, it's 35 means we know like it's another 5 kilometer. So like it is equal, right?
Change is equal. Speed is not equal. There is an increase of 5 kilometer every time. So the speed is gradually increasing. But the word uniform means something which is constant. You all wear the same dress in school. That means uniformity. This isn't like, Rohini is wearing light blue, then some other girl little darker shade, then some other girl more darker shade. This isn't like this. Why do we call it uniform? Something which is same throughout. So same means constant. Okay.
So ma'am, if the question was like 25 kilometer in the first hour and another 25 kilometer in the second hour, it would
Yes.
be uniform speed, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, 15. With what speed should a car travel so that it can cover a distance of 5 kilometers in 5 minutes? And the answer is asked in hours.
Ma'am, are you talking about the 15th question?
Ma'am, it's none of these because it's, everything is showing R.
So you convert it in hour.
Ma'am, are you talking about the 15th question?
15.
I mean,
Ma'am, it's the
ma'am, it
option.
is D.
Ma'am, is it A?
Ma'am, it is D, I think.
Ma'am, how does the 15th question make sense? Because it says in hours, not minutes.
The speed is asked.
Ma'am, the answer is D because uh, the time is 5 minutes. So if we convert it to hours, so 1 hour, 1 minute will be 1/60. So 5 minutes will be 5/60. That will be 1/12 hours. So distance will be 5 kilometers given. So speed will be 5 kilometer divided by 1/2 hours, 12 hours. That will be 5 into 12 by 1. That is 60 kilometer per hour.
What is the relation between a minute and hour? 1 hour is how many minutes?
Ma'am,
60
60
minutes.
minutes.
3600.
600. So 1 minute will be 1/60 hour. Let's convert 1 minute into hour. That is 1/60. Now is it fine? The transition from this to this, have you understood? Kilometer and 1/60. So the answer is simple, 60 kilometer per hour. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
16. The following does not show oscillatory motion. Oscillatory, back and forth. Which of the following does not show back and forth?
Ma'am, fan.
Ma'am, fan.
Correct. Fan. Which of following shows a motion in straight line?
Ma'am, A.
Correct. 18.
Ma'am, C. Ma'am, C.
Body is in uniform motion, and what type of partial it travels so that motion can be called periodic? Okay, fine. C. 19.
Ma'am, which question?
Ma'am, 19th is B.
Which of following is
Ma'am,
modern swimming pattern? Yeah. 20th. Which of following? Which of following is not in uniform motion? Okay, 19 I've told. Sorry. 20th.
Ma'am, 50.
Jet is moving with speed of
Ma'am,
1.
50.
How much? Which one is the correct for 20? What is the answer for 20th?
Ma'am, the answer is B.
50.
Ma'am, 50.
Okay, great. 21. How many minutes are there in 6 hours?
Ma'am, B.
6 into
B.
6, 60. Great.
Ma'am, 22 also B.
Ma'am, B.
This is the following is not matched properly. Odometer, odor. How many hours are there in a week?
Ma'am, is it A?
So,
Ma'am, A.
8. Yeah. 24 into 7.
Ma'am, C.
Simple. See, at least we can finish till 30th. On Saturday night, Prachi 25th. Prachi spent 18 minutes on social science homework, 35 on this homework, and how much time did she spend on her homework? Question on time.
Option D, 1 hour 15 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, D only.
Ma'am, D.
1 hour to 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay. 26.
Ma'am, A.
Option A, 8.
How many weeks are there in 56 days? Okay.
Ma'am, 27 D.
What part of second is called nanosecond? D, you mean?
Yes, ma'am, D. 1 billionth.
Okay. Everybody else, what about you all? 28th. Train A travels the speed of 50 km per hour from Delhi to Chennai. B travels from Delhi to Chennai with speed of this much.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
what is
C.
velocity?
C, option C.
Ma'am, D.
So you understand what is meant by velocity?
Ma'am, velocity means the total difference in the difference in speed. Ma'am,
Sritish,
like
wait, Siddhant. Sritish, you tell.
Ma'am, like what is velocity?
Yeah, wait. Sritij, anybody else who knows about velocity? In question number 28.
And velocity is basically displacement by time.
Velocity and difference between velocity and speed is that velocity is speed plus direction, or you can say direction means the direction in which the object is traveling with whatever speed is termed as velocity.
And basically, speed is scalar quantity, and velocity is vector quantity.
You can just understand if I'm writing only the number numerical part that depicts the value speed, and if I suppose say positive or negative, so like on the number line, yeah, in earlier classes we have learned this is 0, and if we move positive towards this is positive, and if we move left on the left side, then it is termed as negative. So this is something, 0 is a reference point, and accordingly we decide right, left, positive, negative, right? So if I say that one train is moving from Delhi to Chennai, if the other train is moving from Chennai to Delhi, then this is, let's say, moving 170 kilometer per hour. That's too much I've written. And it is minus 170 kilometer per hour. Why? So it is understood that the direction is opposite to the original one. Okay. Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
You can simply write speed with direction is termed as velocity.
Ma'am, the formula for velocity is displacement by time.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, rest I'll give you for the homework. Fine.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
I'll see you in the
Thank
next
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.